So I don't know about you, but I still haven't found what is the right way for an onion not to make you cry. I've heard it all. Put the onion in the microwave, cut it under the running water, freeze the onion, or my mom's favorite, put a piece of bread in your mouth. None of that works. So I'm just gonna tell you what has worked a little bit for me so far and how to cut the onion. So the best thing that's worked for me is when you peel the onion, you want to make sure that you leave that root on there, right? Because if you cut the root off, the onion is going to bleed, and that's what's going to get you crying right away, right? So take the onion, you're going to cut it right there, leaving the root on both sides, and then you're going to take the knife and you're going to cut right along the root, but always leaving the root there. See? All the way down, all the way down. There you go. And then you're going to make a cut here. Always keep your fingers behind the knife. Don't forget that. You're going to make a cut right here and a cut right here. And then you're going to let your knife do all the work. See? Look how easy that is. Always keeping your fingers behind. Nice and easy. All the way down. Once you get close to the end, you're going to flip it. And you're going to keep cutting it. Like that. Like that. Like that. And then you chop the onion as fine as you want. Look at that, right? So you let me know if you know a way of how to make an onion not make you cry. Just make sure you post it right here because I still need to find out.